All right, making mobile home roofs great again. Day one. She's a warped one. Paul, we got to build that up, bro. Can't let that happen. Can't let that be like that. That's got to get built up with plywood. Right there.
Right here too.
Not so much there, but them two.
Yeah, right there.
We got to put 3-foot pieces of plywood, even 4-foot pieces, and hang them out. And they won't go all the way down to the bottom. So if we get a line in that bottom screwed down, we'll push the plywood till it touches. I'm gonna make some strips. Yeah.
38.5, finish out.
38.5 coming up. This mobile home had a lot of that stuff that I talk about all the time, where the cool seal is just splitting. And you know the water's going right down through that. So that is nothing but a leak. Right on the outside edge. You might not notice it on the inside for a while, but once it gets there, you got major problems.
Yeah, many years.
Many years.
You take the gray stuff, put it down, then you come back with this new stuff. And what that new stuff on?
It doesn't stick. Yeah, peel and seal doesn't stick. I mean, that's what you really end up with.
Peel that off.
That's peel and seal. You're never gonna stick that. Peel and seal will never stick to a roof with that, whatever this other stuff is that was on there first. Huh?
That gray stuff.
Yeah.
You see right there?
Yeah, originally there was that gray cool seal type of stuff. Right on over the metal, you can see it, the gray stuff. And then somebody came back and cool sealed it. And this is what a lot of people do, cool seal their mobile homes. But oh yeah, look at what's under that. Seams are busted. Yeah, seams are completely busted. Look at that. So I guess the cool seal was saving them somewhat, but wow. Oh, don't uncover anymore. That's terrible. Seams are all broken on this trailer. Yeah, he needed a roof bad. Watch where you walk when you go up top of a trailer. Put something to walk on first if you have to, whatever you have to do. Put some plywood up there. You can walk on this, but do not walk out here where I'm at unless you know where to walk on. Bring yourself up a piece of plywood, and this is something that you can work off of. You can work all around you on a piece of plywood. If you're cool sealing or anything, use a piece of plywood to walk on, and then just move that thing around until you run out of space. All right. That worked out better, Paul.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I don't know, we might be a little close to that pipe. Goes on the outside.
If you want it.
A little close, we'll have to trim it.
Yeah.
I know what time I'm leaving.
Sounds like
I got my phone in my pocket.
Sounds like she's driving, so I don't know what the fuck.
It's good. I like that.
Yeah.
Slowly going to sleep. Trying to walk it off. Alright, so in order to make it the width we needed, we had to add that 10.5 inch strip all the way down.
The roof on first is a demonstration of what not to do when you have a porch, because if you have the plywood overhang, you can't get to the screws and all the caulking that's up under there. So you'll have to take all that caulking out. So if you screw your plywood down, you're not going to be able to get to that. So we are going to unscrew plywood to show you how to do it the right way.
All right, I had to go for a while, so now I'm back. What are you going to do? What are you going to do for that overhang? Why are you doing that?
I just put 2-4 here. Make it look the same. Hook on it to trade the same. No, that's cut off.
Get rid of it.
Cut off. No problem.
Yeah, I don't like it.
We'll make that work. Yeah, it looks wavy, but it's down to the one bottom.
I just don't like it. That just means a lot more work. Because I'm not putting any metal on that or anything. I don't get no metal. No metal at all. That's beautiful white wood. Let's get that done and get some rubber on this thing. It's about time.
Yeah, I'm trying to get all 2-4 on it.
3:30.
By the time we
Huh?
get all the 2x4s on, then rubber.
Yeah. Don't see no problem in that.
You got most of the screws in already. It'll take long to put them down.
Need you hold up on that end if I think you see it. Don't move.
You need some help with that?
Put a foot on it.
Keep going, it's going. Yeah, every time you hit it, it goes. Get it here already. You're gonna have, I'd stop and put a screw in it.
Just come back out.
Yeah. Looks good though. Won't take long to throw these things in.
Make sure they in.
Just turn that off if you want to turn it back on.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, Bill, can you set that for him? Can you set that in up for him? Before you see him in the 2-4 before you screw it off. Hey, go undo that screw left hand, it's too deep. Hey, do that first, Bill. Can't do it by yourself. Now, that's what down here, dude. You gotta go in and out.
Yeah, in other words, he's ready to start putting the 2x down through there. Huh?
Work it as you go.
Right. I know, that's why he can't do it by himself. One man on the other. You gotta make sure you're nice and flush. Nice. That worked. You right? Flush with the outside, right? Okay.
Tape measure, mine's down there.
Yeah, you know it's 30 feet. 10, 20, 22. Cut it. Beautiful. Huh?
3 foot. 4 foot.
For the back porch?
Yeah, back porch.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh damn, I hope they didn't do that.
What?
Drug across that pipe. Have them cover that pipe up before they drug that rubber across it.
Add the overhang. We didn't get all the 2x4s on. Did get some of them. Cut the rubber, let it hang over for the night. Clamp it down because we know this shit will blow right off. First thing you know.
Come up onto this a little bit.
Yeah, watch out with this corner. Hey, hey.
Check the corner.
Make sure you don't tear a hole in the corner. And then we clamp it down for the night. So this is how far we made it in one day, which is about normal for a 3-man crew. Let's go look at the top. See what the top looks like right now. Start clamping it so the plywood is good up. It doesn't blow off overnight. Heck yeah, come down, glue it down tomorrow and put fascia board on it. Move on to another one. Looks good, Bill.
Yeah.
Looks good. That's not bad for a day's work.
No.
Not bad for a day's work.
The metal and turn bar.
Yeah. Yeah. Metal. Turn bar. This thing will be done tomorrow. Be done tomorrow. We'll work just like we did today. There you go. I was going to say, put them things down, TJ. Best thing you can do is just lay them around the roof and then put them on as you go around to them. Whatever works the best, you know what I mean? They're going to be everywhere. You can put them even more than what there is. Yeah. Put one here on this porch if it can be. Can one go here? No, don't need it. Don't need it. All right, so another one at Drew's Roofing Home Repair. This one's a little bit local, so we're not traveling for this one. This is Ocean Isles Beach. Exactly 1 hour from our main office where we work all the time. So we like them when they're close. This one here had metal on that porch. We didn't know what we was gonna have to do until we got to it. We ended up having to strip the metal off. Obviously we knew that. And then add plywood because there was only 1x4. And then that small porch that was right behind me, right there, he had a pretty big hunk of steel on there. That piece right down there. And we took it off and put some plywood and getting ready to put some rubber on it. So tomorrow we'll come back and put the fascia metal on this thing. Glue it down, termination bar, be done. Another happy customer. Making mobile home roofs great again. Right here, even, yeah, anywhere there. Yes sir, making mobile home roofs great again. This is a mobile home roof they'll never have trouble with again, that's for sure. There was so many things going on. All right guys, we're out. Let's lock it up. Day 1 in the books, everybody. Thanks for watching.